Taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nox. If you're new here, hello, and welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for taking the time to come back and watch my YouTube channel. I truly appreciate it. This is an opening to a vlog. I have a lot of footage that I'll put together for you guys. Unfortunately took a very long break. The reason for that is I'm still trying to adjust to the new place. I'm still trying to adjust to the new community. In fact, I'm still building a community. I don't even have friends yet where I'm staying. But yeah, I'll just show you snippets of what has been going on in my life since the last time. I don't even remember when was the last time I actually did a vlog, but I think it was when I was moving. Yeah, so I'll show a bit of snippets of how my life has been and how we are settling in. So if you're new here, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate it. And for those guys who've been watching, I will have just one request. Could you please just like the video and share the video so that we can have more people watch my YouTube channel. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Cheers. It is Easter Sunday. Lily and I just got back from church.
Is the egg? He is not here. He has risen, just as he said. Come and see the place where he lay. Matthew 28, verse 6.
So you've got 5 of them. They're hidden somewhere. And the clue is they are where things grow. Where do things grow? Like, where do flowers grow? There's 5 of them. We've got
4 more to go.
Okay. You're looking for places where things grow. No, but that was a pot plant. So you're looking at? No, you're way too off now. Try this side. Ooh.
Found it. 3 more to go.
Okay, you're still within that space.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, come like a bit closer to me though. Where things grow. Let me see that. You can't see?
It's like the bunny.
It's a bunny. Okay. How many do you have now? 3.
Yeah.
2 more to go. Let's try.
That.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live
I'm going to beat it a bit and add some sugar. We're gonna add some brown sugar.
Foundation, make a name for generations, please.
Sunday's basic prison. Actually gonna add quite an entire cup of sugar. Pause it.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
I'm gonna add some speckled eggs. Something.
It's a season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
A few weeks later, I have been preparing for my sister's 21st birthday. This is the liquor I've bought so far. The plan is for this party to be a DIY project. We just arrived at home. I was in the car with my sister here, and yeah, we'll just take you through how everything unfolded on her birthday celebration. I actually did everything myself, from the deco to the food, and yeah, into the actual program itself. So yeah, this is like a mini DIY project where I did my sister's birthday, 21st birthday celebration. Boo 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 boo.
Hi, baby.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do?
Yeah, I want none.
Hayi bungathi
Your love,
uyenza kanjani lento le?
Impela nje.
So I went shopping for table setup, and this is what I got. I absolutely love how everything is looking like. I hope you guys like this as well. I think going forward, I'm going to now start a mini business doing luncheon and dinner table setup. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this setup. It's really, really beautiful. I must say, I got the pieces from Temu. They got delivered at home in Escort. And obviously I had to buy some of the stuff as an add-on, and I bought the stuff at like China Mall in Pietermaritzburg. This was mostly like adding into cutlery and things, but I absolutely love this look. I obviously did it a couple of days trying to see what will work best.
all that I crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love.
Hi everyone. Hi Makosi. Hi Akiwe. It's prep. It's prep time. Hi mom. Makosi's busy. Makosi's busy here. Makosi's, and she's also busy here. And she's also busy at the oven. Makosi again. She's also busy at the oven.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't leave. Don't take it personal.
Nobody's naked.
Hi.
Hi.
I am looking for. Ifunan. Azangisiza bona.
I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen. Soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me.
What are you going to? Hey mom.
It's my.
Hi.
Welcome,
Drinks.
If you got my number, don't ask me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to hello guys. You messing my head up. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know.
I know she's a difficult child. Trust me. So the fact that she actually has people sitting
Just
down
pick
here
up
actually
your
be very happy.
phone, tell me where you be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder.
And then in terms of, but I'll update you guys about that in terms of the meetings.
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say.
You guys can find around that. Everything else is inside out. I think after this,
Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
the garage, you can use that to go down there. I don't know what you guys want to do in the morning, or you just want to sleep and be hung over. You can also do that. So yeah, enjoy your evening, and happy birthday to you, my little sister. Happy birthday to you. Like a month ago.
She did the deco, by the way. Please book.
I'm trying to get myself into this space, so I was like modeling how it would look like.
Oh, it looks really good.
Thank you. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Enjoy this food beside, and then you can use the plates on the table.
And I look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out.
So yeah, Amelia has been a really nice auntie around me. I love her around me and she's like a mom to me. And I just wish her a happy birthday and please don't have kids. Exactly. I'm your only kid. And God may bless you through the day.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my.
Guys, you have basically came to the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching.